600 millimeters, a Musketeer. So a Musketeer has two versions. The first version is Musketeer 1 and the second version Musketeer 2, which you can see the difference very easy. If you have a bigger hand, this is gonna be the duck for you, okay? You can see the new logo, JIBBIJUG, at the bottom, okay? V1, V2. The spout, everything exactly the same. This is my favorite jugs at all time. If you're really looking for the best jug for all the basic, this is one of the best jugs you can have. Alright, let's see the video. If you actually drawing the leg, you know, the parts of the animal, the face, the horn, you really need to lift the jugs a little bit up and draw it, because if you're too close at that part, it might get a little bit blurry. So you need, because this one quite long compared to the round spout. So to make two and can make a large. So this is can do the latte art in the very last cup. Let me show you this how the spout look like again. That's how the spout look like. It's not very wide and not very long, so it's very good for the pushing techniques, all the basic and drawings. And one of my tips when I actually like to use it for the animal patterns. So you can see this cup compared to the bigger one. So it's smaller, but it's bigger than the small one. So this is my best favorite. It's about 10 ounces. Very good for this jug. This jug is very good. It's super powerful and it makes the drawing latte art just very smooth, very easy to draw, and I love it so much. Okay.